Hey guys, so me and my mom had planned that we were gonna go ahead and make pozole. I like my pozole with chicken. My mom and them like it with pork. So I went ahead and I made pozole with chicken. My mom did go ahead and guide me through everything. You know, I have a Mexican mom and her sazon is like on point with anything and everything. My mom went ahead and showed me everything, and I pretty much did it on my own with her guidance. We cooked enough to where I can go ahead and take some to Edwin's family. And yeah, hopefully they like it. So I'm gonna take you guys for the ride. See ya. So I did go ahead and pack him a few stuff. We did go ahead and pack them some tostada chips, some lettuce, and you know, just the essentials that you would need for pozole. But then I also got him a big bag of okie dokie hot cheese popcorn, because he really does like those. And then I did go ahead and give him some other snacks just for him to kind of munch on, like some candies and some granola bars. And then I also went ahead and then, as I was saying, I did pack him up some Gatorades and some sparkling water, flavored sparkling water, just for him to kind of have something to sip on during the week. So it's just like a little care package that I kind of made for him, and the pozole was just mainly for him and his family, because you know, I was gonna go over there and take him some, but it's not really fair to go ahead and just take him some. So I was just like, you know what, we're gonna make enough so that way we can take some for your whole fam. So hopefully they all like it. I'm on my way there now. It's such a nice day out. I do wish that I could just kind of enjoy the dinner with them, but with everything going on, all I'm gonna be able to do is just drop it off and just kind of wave and say hi. But it has been like a long time since the last time I saw Edwin. It's almost like at a month. But you know, we do go ahead and FaceTime, and we like pretty much talk all day long, but it's still just not the same. All right, so to give you guys an update, I am a little bit more than halfway there. So there is really no traffic whatsoever. The weather's pretty nice, but it is a little chilly with the wind. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going and I will keep you guys posted. See ya. Okay, so I finally made it. I just called Edwin to let him know I am here. He's gonna just come and pick them up from my car. So I was gonna show you guys what I was going to eat, which was the pozole. However, I got home and just ate it. So with that being said, it was delicious. So yeah, I was just too hungry and I just started eating, and I just enjoyed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. See ya.